In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade audio in Clipchamp. So first of all, I want to find our audio. So let's say this. In today's video, I'm going to get the song. So this song here, I'm going to click and drag it in here. So this is the audio. Now let's say it doesn't have a fade in already. It starts like this, and we want to fade it in. The way that we do this is we click on it, and we go over to this option that says fade, and then there's two options, fade in and fade out. So we want to drag this up, and this is going to be the duration of fade. So how long does it take to fade in? So that will be 2 seconds right now, because I put it on 2 seconds. So I can go down to less or more. So let's have a listen to it now. So you can see it takes 2 seconds to fade in, and you can change this to make it fade in faster or slower. Now there's another option which is fade out, and this does the exact same stuff but at the end of the track, so it will fade it out. And again with this you can change it so that it's slower or faster. Now a few more audio options here that you may be interested in is the volume setting. This will make your thing louder or quieter. And then you've got the speed here, so if you want to slow it down you can do that, or you can speed it up if you really want to. I don't know why you want to do that, but you might want to. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.